Alright, so I just got back from the junkyard. It's hot. I got a door for the 98 Civic. So it's the passenger door, the one that has the chips in it. Right here. So the front of the door is all chipped up. And it was either do a bunch of body work or just find another door. So I found this door. It's in really good shape. The only problem is manual, and this car is electric. So I'm basically just going to swap the doors right now, and then I'm going to have to pull all the guts out of that and then put all the guts from this into that. Alright, so I got this area. I just repainted this because it had some rust up in here. So I just put some of this dual paint primer on there, nothing big, just like cover up the rust. That's all I want to do, is make sure that it's not rusting anymore. So it's not a big deal. I got a little bit of an overspray here, but I'm gonna end up painting these because I try to use that back to black on these and it doesn't really work. Alright, so we got the new door on. You can definitely tell the difference in how shiny it is. This one actually only has a ding here, here, and here, which would be easy to fix, which is way better than all this up here, because somebody bonded the crap out of this. Look how thick that Bondo is. Like ridiculous. So probably gonna keep that door, mess around with it. But yeah, this is gonna be the new door. Just gotta put all the guts out of that one into this one. We're gonna do that later. It's really easy to put on. It's just these two bolts here. These two bolts. The easiest way to do it is to push in this all the way. It's a pain in the butt to get it back out, but just push it all the way in and then just kind of close the door, hold it up, and just push it to hear it latch. And then you can just put these 4 bolts in first. Then you're going to need to open the door after you're done, pry this back out, and then connect it here. And that'll get it done. See there, works. So I'm going to go get the new fender. We're gonna get that ready to go on, and then pretty much after that, just gotta get a new front bumper, back bumper, basically sand up what I need to sand and tweak some stuff, and then I'm gonna have the company paint it. We're gonna paint it back the color it was. So, factory. Alright, so we got the fender replaced. It's a new fender, new door. So it looks good. We don't have that much to do to it. And the car is pretty much almost ready to be painted. So just got to do some minor stuff. We got to swap all the guts from that door over there to this door. Alright, so I've disassembled this door. This thing had a little pin on it, it's a pain in the butt. But this door has an automatic lock on it, and the key doesn't work for the other door, never did. So I don't need this. I'm going to save this for later, just in case I ever do need it. So really, I pulled out this, which is the wiring harness for this side. So all I need to do now is remove this window thing, and then we can hook up the other regulator, put that in there, and then wire it, and then hook it up, and we're done. And it'll be finished. Alright, well, let's get it started. Alright, so everything seems to be working. Window rolls down, window rolls back up. These motors are like not really that great, but they'll last for a while. So we got that hooked up. We just got to do the rest of the wiring in on this. Get this guy over here. Get this guy put back in the door over here, and then we can basically button her back up. It's pretty much done. Alright, new fender, door works, all the guts from the other door inside, we're good to go, everything works. Gotta kick that today, but other than that, we're good to go. Everything's straight up. So, now we got one shiny door though. Hopefully we'll be able to get the car painted soon. Alrighty, guys, take it easy. Peace.